Day 4, drifting this car on this map until I can get it in one attempt. Now, today's attempt should go a lot differently. I'm on a completely different setup today. I went from a Logitech G920 or something like that to a direct drive PXN wheel, and it is a world of difference. Also, replacing the Logitech pedals, I've got a pair of SimJack Ultimates with the spring mod for the brake, and it is just, it's a whole new world. Oh, the car feels so much better. Let me know if there's any maps or car suggestions you guys would like to have. Like, if you're getting bored with this, just let me know. I'll be glad to switch maps. Oh. Angle. No. Well, that wasn't my best work at all. Come back tomorrow to see if I make it. Like, subscribe, leave any suggestions in the comments. I will be glad to bring them to life.